Good morning, it's 6:30 in the morning in Playa del Carmen, and I'm headed downtown, check out the sunrise, see what's going on down there. My plan was to stop at the OXXO there behind me, but apparently they're not open right now. One thing I've noticed while being here for the last few days is that Playa is a very active city. A lot of cyclists, a lot of people walking at all hours of the day, and even right now there's a surprising amount of people out getting their morning jog, dog walk, bicycle ride, whatever it is. Good feeling. And one of the reasons I'm walking is because last night I decided to go out for dinner, and I ate at this place right here called Costalao, if you can see that. And if you've eaten there, you got to walk home because you're going to be full and you're going to need to walk some of that meat off. Speaking of activity, 6:30 in the morning, I've just rolled into Deportiva. There's people playing tennis here. Got some lessons going on, couple games right here. Some kind of yoga class out in the field. While other people are running. A ton of activity for 6:30 in the morning. Looks like we got an OXXO that's open. I've recently been out painting the bike path here. I think it looks fantastic. It's got a nice gritty feel to it too. The speed that these scooters can go at just amazes me. There goes another one. Oh, this pizzeria right here, Bella. I walked by here last night and it looked like a really great spot. I got to get in there and check that one out. This walking sidewalk along 10th Ave has got to be 15 feet wide. What a great idea to put this in. One of the things that impresses me about this 10th Avenue project is that there's actually garbage cans. I know in a lot of the cities in Mexico, garbage cans are few and far between, but here I've seen quite a few recycling bins as well. If you've noticed, we haven't bumped into any subscribers. I'm just starting this channel, and if you like travel videos and watching a 55-year-old guy navigate his way around YouTube and social media, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join my wife and my son and be my next subscriber. Now this hotel here, Hacienda Maria Bonita, to me it looks really cool. If anybody's ever stayed in this place, comment below. My next trip here, this is probably where I'm gonna go. Looks kind of authentic. Well, we've only got about 10 minutes until sunrise, so we better get moving down to the water so we can catch this. Well, I can tell you one thing that's a little bit different about this trip down 5th Ave at 6:30 in the morning. I haven't been asked if I wanted a massage yet or a tattoo. Here's my favorite ice cream shop on 5th Ave. Maybe it's not the best quality, but definitely the best value, and they've got some great flavors too. So it's now 7:01. We've got a couple minutes before the actual sunrise, but we've got some cloud here. But let's get down to the water and see what we can find out. What a nice breeze we have today. You can see all the people sitting here waiting for the sunrise. Thing is, there's a little too much cloud today. I'm not sure it's going to be much of a sunrise, but let's have a look. Here's the guy responsible for picking up all the seaweed. I'm not sure if you can see this, but over there, cruise ships pulling into Cozumel. And over here, all the people gathering up this sargasso. We're starting to see some colors coming over the clouds there, some pinks to the right. So this is the official time that the sunrise is supposed to happen. This might be a video for another day. This is the first ferry over from Cozumel. There's a ton of people coming to work here in Playa, go to the airport, things like that. Even though the sunrise isn't so great today, it's really peaceful sitting down here on the beach. Just the sounds of the birds, drones, and the waves. I guess I'll just hang out here for a couple more minutes and see what happens to these few clouds that are around and maybe catch some good sunrise. If not, we're going to head back along 5th Avenue, and I'm planning to go for what looks like a very good cinnamon bun along the way. Here's the tip. If you're planning on doing YouTube or any kind of social media, you like this guy, get out and practice. Right now, he's got his drone following behind him, and all this new technology takes work. So if you ever see this guy, follow him. He's putting in the work. This could be the best of the sunset we're going to get here today. And you can hear the drone right above my head. Now watch this. There it is, folks. This is about all we're going to get today. Really nice. Clouds give it a little bit of texture. It's going to be a great day here in Playa. So it's almost 7:30 and 5th Avenue is starting to wake up a little bit. So for tip number one, for when you're coming to Playa, if you want to stay right in the city here and experience all the restaurants and activities for yourself, Go on booking.com, find an accommodation in the area that you like. Read the reviews. 9 times out of 10, you're gonna get something you like. Everything I've stayed in here seems pretty clean and safe, but this is Mexico and you're gonna get some noise. So all the reviews are gonna say there was a little bit of noise. That's tip number 1, find your accommodations. Tip number 2 is wear good shoes. You're gonna end up walking for miles out here. Yesterday was an average day. I did 9.8 kilometers and I didn't do anything special. Wear some good shoes. Number 4 is to actually go inside. Don't judge a restaurant or a place by what the outside of the building looks like, because a lot of times here in Mexico, what's on the inside doesn't necessarily look the same as the outside. I've been in many places that look terrible on the outside, and once I walk through the doors, they're beautiful. So open the door and go in. 7:35, and clearly Playa is starting to wake up now. Bike path goes right through town. Really good. On 10th Ave there's a ton of construction. Lots of condos being built, and I really think that this is in a transition phase, changing from a sleepy street, one of the more popular areas in town. And if you're thinking about investing in Playa del Carmen, I think 10th Ave is the way to go. More condos. You can bet that this is going to be a condo before long. Lao is another great restaurant here in Playa. If you look through my shorts, you can see I did a short video on the blueberry pancakes. They're fantastic. Another restaurant that I highly recommend. I was there yesterday. If you're a vegetarian, this is not the place for you. But if you like meat, this is the place to go. Here's another project on 10th being built. Looks fairly dense, but what a great location. And another one across the street. Here, you want to look? Check that out. Now I know I promised you a cinnamon bun, and right now, we're there. So this is the cinnamon bun. Lots of icing on the top, looks pretty fluffy. Let's see if we can do some damage here. That's fresh. So the icing on the bun is more of a cake style. The cinnamon is good, the texture is really nice. Unfortunately, the total package is not as good as cinnamon buns my wife makes, so thanks, love. So I'm gonna give you the final thoughts on the cinnamon bun. Unfortunately, I'd give it about a 5 out of 10. The icing was kind of like that material you would find on the inside of a Twinkie. That doesn't belong on a cinnamon bun. The price was good. It was only 18 pesos, so about $1, no matter where you're from. So here I am back at the rental here. If you've stuck around this long in the video, I just wanted to thank you for doing that. This is my second attempt at making a long form video. If you like this type of content, give me a subscribe, and you know what? If you stuck around this long, I'm gonna give you a tour of my rental here. I got this place off booking.com. It's listed as your home away from home under Playa del Carmen. And I've been quite happy with this place. So let me show you what's here. So in here is the kitchen. This is a studio apartment. So there's seating for 3. It's really well stocked as far as cooking stuff, utensils, coffee maker. There's a small cooktop over there and a nice fridge. Bathroom, I love the tile work in here. I don't know if you can see the texture here. Really well done. Rain shower. I got the mirror there and a floating vanity. Nice sized TV with a balcony. There's a clothesline out there, and not much of a view, but it's got great privacy. Very comfortable bed, nice linens, plugs underneath there. And the coolest part about this is the ceiling. It's got that recessed ceiling with the backlight. It's really nice at night. I'm gonna quickly take you upstairs to the rooftop pool in the elevator. So this is the rooftop area. Got a nice smoker over there in the corner, cooler for your things. These are the city views, and I'll take you up here to the pool. Here it is. Another, well, this area here is shaded usually. Loungers, so you can take in a little sun. And out there's the ocean. All right, that's the video. Have a great day from Playa del Carmen.